Your judge for this evening is Elsie Camacho.
Hi, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
I think burutan ka. Burutan ka. Without, good luck ha. So, this is my question. What do you think is your strength above all the other candidates? Yeah. What do you think is your strength above all the other candidates?
I believe that one of my greatest strengths above the other candidates would be my perseverance. To those who may or may not know, I have already joined 5 consecutive barangay pageants, and I have also won consecutively as first runner-up. Many question why I joined Binibining Lapu-Lapu even if I did not have a barangay title. I was criticized for being so desperate, for being so ambitiosa, but Lapu-Lapu City has given and opened doors for dreamers like me that I don't need a sash, a crown, or a title to begin. All I need is a heart that chose to believe. And so as I stand here in front of all of you, I hope I will serve as a beautiful representation that no dream is ever too far, too big, and too impossible for a heart that chose to believe.